Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Helena Fergaman. This is part 2 of my tutorial on how to crochet Florina jumper. In this tutorial I will navigate you on how to follow the pattern diagram from row 7 to row 13 included and demonstrate how to start and finish the round. For those who are new to my channel, this pattern is available in PDF file with step-by-step instruction and how to crochet Florina one jumper. This pattern is available to purchase on my website, Ravelry and Etsy platforms. Part 2. Here we have completed 6 rows. To begin row 7, by looking at the pattern diagram, we can see it says to increase. You don't have to calculate anything, all increases have been calculated for you. You just need to follow the pattern instructions. Chain 3 to begin the round, and it counts as 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns. And crochet stitches around 5 chain stitches. And work 5 treble crochet UK turns or 5 double crochet US turns around first 5 chain stitches. In your written instruction, you can find how many stitches you should have in total according to your size. First 5 crochet stitches completed, you should have in total 6. 3 chain stitches at the beginning of the round count as 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns. And after that work 6 treble crochet UK turns or 6 double crochet US turns around every other 5 chain stitches. Please remember to count your stitches regularly. If you make any mistake, you can change without unraveling many stitches or rows. When you arrive to the end of the round, finish with the slip stitch into your third chain stitch. To begin round 8, chain 1 and turn your work, or turn your work and chain 1, and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns into a second stitch from the hook, and after work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns into every stitch to the end of the round. When you arrive to the end of the round, make sure you finish with the slip stitch into double crochet UK turns or single crochet US turns, the one you created at the beginning of the round. To begin round 9, chain 3 and turn your work, or turn your work and chain 3. In this example, my work looks much larger than yours. Please don't worry if you've noticed that. My work here on row 32, I'm only demonstrating with a few stitches how to start and finish the round. Unfortunately, in my original video, I moved my hands out of the camera without realizing it. After you complete your 3 chain stitches, skip 1 and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into a stitch, chain 1 and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into the same stitch, skip 2 and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns, chain 1 and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into the same stitch. Repeat the pattern to the end of the round. I have to simulate my round here, but when you come to the round, finish with the slip stitch into your third chain stitch. When this round is complete, you will have double stitches on both sides and now 1 stitch in the middle. To begin round 10, chain 5 and turn your work, or turn your work and chain 5. and work one double crochet UK turn, so one single crochet US turns around one chain stitch between two treble crochet UK turns, so two double crochet US turns. Chain 4 and work one double crochet UK turn, so one single crochet US turns around the chain stitch that plays between two treble crochet UK turns, so two double crochet US turns. Repeat the pattern to the end of the round. When you have completed your last double crochet UK turn stitch or single crochet US turn stitch, chain only 2 and finish with the slip stitch into a third chain stitch at the beginning of the round. To begin round 11, chain 1 and turn your work, or turn your work and chain 1 and work one double crochet UK turn, so one single crochet US turns into a second stitch from the hook. Chain 4 and work one double crochet UK turns or one single crochet US turns around 4 chain stitches. Chain 4 and work again one double crochet UK turns or one single crochet US turns around 4 chain stitches, and repeat the pattern to the end of the round. At the end of the round, chain last 4 and finish with the slip stitch into a double crochet UK turn stitch or single crochet US turn stitch. To begin round 12, chain 5 and turn your work, or turn your work and chain 5 and work one double crochet UK turn, so one single crochet US turns around first 4 chain stitches. I'm very sorry, but I will still have to use different examples before I can return to my original work. Chain 4 and work one double crochet UK turns or one single crochet US turns around 4 chain stitches. Continue with the pattern to the end of the round. When you come to the end of the round, after your last double crochet UK turns or one single crochet US turns, make sure you only chain 2 stitches and finish with the slip stitch into a third chain stitch at the beginning of the round. To begin round number 13, chain 3 and turn your work, or turn your work and chain 3 and work one treble crochet UK turns or one double crochet US turns around 2 chain stitches. And after that, work 3 treble crochet UK turns or 3 double crochet US turns around next 4 chain stitches, and continue with the pattern to the end of the round. When you come to the end of the round, make sure you finish only with one treble crochet UK turns or one double crochet US turns around the last 2 chain stitches, and finish with the slip stitch into a third chain stitch at the beginning of the round. Part 2 of this project has come to the end. I know I've mentioned earlier that this tutorial will be longer. Few people ask to make the tutorial shorter, and I think I'm going to keep them shorter from now on. Thank you for watching. I hope you had a great experience. I'm looking forward to working with you on the following tutorial. For those who are new to my channel, if you would like to see more videos in the future, please subscribe to be notified when I add a new video. Enjoy your day, evening, and I will see you soon.